Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Destination Thailand visa and bank accounts in Thailand. I did want to preface this video by saying I am making long-form content on our paid news service, Integrity News Service, and in the upcoming video I'm going to be making contemporaneously with this one, I'm going to be chiming in on more associated with banking, not only specific to Destination Thailand visa, but just what we're hearing with regard to banking here in Thailand. And where I think things are going as well. So if you're interested in that, media@integrity-legal.com. That's where you can find information about our paid news service. That said, getting back into this, what we're hearing, and understand this is anecdotal, but this is anecdotal from someone in my office who works directly with the banks frequently, especially in an immigration context, and has dealt with Destination Thailand visas as well as other non-immigrant visas. And bear in mind, the Destination Thailand visa was invented entirely by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It has it's not really fit in well with internal immigration because immigration internally operates under the Ministry of Interior. It's an entirely different animal from external matters from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And this visa is sort of a square peg in a round hole. On top of this, you could sit around and say, well, maybe they should streamline things. I don't think they will. And secondly, I don't think they really need to. The Destination Thailand visa is, at the end of the day, just effectively a really long tourist visa. That's what it is. It's not a non-immigrant visa. And the Immigration Act of 1979 still is what it is. It has not been amended. So yeah, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs can create a really long tourist visa, but they still have to deal with the law as it was written in 79 and deal with the fact that non-immigrant visas are what they are. Which brings us to the point I'm trying to make, which is anecdotally, we are hearing that DTV visa holders are being called in if they have obtained a bank account in Thailand and asked to see if they're remaining on their DTV visa. And if they are, they're closing their accounts because they're being told you can't do banking here if you're in this status. You're not supposed to be, DTV itself, as we discussed in a prior video, while you can work remotely, so you can be doing something that pertains to some other jurisdiction, it cannot impinge on the Thai economy. That was the specific language that Interior themselves used. I talked about that in a prior video. Long story short, what we're talking about here is, at the end of the day, these DTV visas are tourist visas. And the banks are saying, hey, we don't want to keep you in this. I've done another video on this. It's all being sort of ostensibly done under scam bank accounts or mule accounts or money laundering or whatever. But the upshot to Destination Thailand visa holders is they're having a problem with their banking. And it makes some sense if you understand that, again, it's not designed for you to work in Thailand, and a bank account would lend itself to the notion that you're sort of working and living in Thailand. Now, at the same time, the DTV was also designed for sort of this long stay experience. It's like 6 months with a border run and then 6 months. But it's still under the rubric of a tourist visa. Again, it kind of causes me a lot of frustration on a personal level because, frankly, it was designed badly, for lack of a better term. And that's just a fact. That being said, again, it doesn't change the fact that as a practical matter, people are having problems with banking associated with their Destination Thailand visa. For those who may be overwhelmed by this, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to maybe change your visa status or figure out other solutions to remain in Thailand long term if you want to do banking here in the Kingdom of Thailand.